Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the scenic radials of St. Andrew, this magnificent four-story residence boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and includes a dedicated service quarters for added convenience. It sits on 0.34 acres of land. The architectural grandeur is highlighted by high ceilings, adding a sense of spaciousness and elegance to the living and dining rooms. The layout is thoughtfully designed to seamlessly blend comfort with luxury, offering an ideal haven for families or those who appreciate refined living. Its location in Red Hills provides not just a home, but a lifestyle, surrounded by the natural beauty of Jamaica. This property is an excellent investment opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 107 million or US $695.2 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.